Alright everybody, parts I'm going to need for the Miata body that I just got. 3-pin connector for the headlights and side marker lights, taillights, whatever. Something else that I'm going to need, these are for the pop-ups. This will allow me to use this flexible wire so it doesn't break the wire. Had this for a while. This is nice and flexible so the wire won't break when I have the pop-ups. Threaded rod, got at my local hobby shop, with Team Losi ball end on here from the Mini T. That's going to be the push rod for the pop-up headlights. Headlight buckets from one of my 510s that got retired. Just cut the end off. I have 2 extras just in case. What you're going to need to do the pop-ups is 1/16 inch rod, brass rod. Use this for your actuator portion. This is just the reason I got this is because I'm going to use an antenna tube as my rod that holds the actuator in place. And I can't remember what size this is, but the 1/16 fits in. Well, the antenna tube fits inside this. Then the 1/16 inch brass rod is going to fit in the antenna tube. The whole reason I'm doing this is so I can get my height to put this on there, to cut this round, the servo part of it off, just so I just have the holes. I cut it here so I can attach the rod to this, and then give me just a second, it's kind of hard to grab here. Ball end that goes on here, and I have a part on the cup racer that's has a ball end on it, so I'll be able to actuate it there. For the lenses, just a quick pull of a vacuum mold. Well, not really a vacuum mold, more of just a gravity mold. Allowed it to flex around what I used, which was just a regular 1157 bulb. You can use an 1156. I just had this laying around. This is one of my old NiCad dischargers, which I don't use anymore. I don't have any more NiCads, but I just took the heat gun, set the plastic over it, then heated it up and allowed it to flex over, and then just pushed it down where it would be where it needed to be. But that's everything for now. I'll get the cup racer and show you what the piece on the cup racer looks like. Alright everybody, here's the end on the cup racer that's going to allow the pop-ups to work. And of course my headlights on, and then that's my side marker light switch, and then that's my headlight switch. Yep, that's what I'm going to use this. Let me find the receiver, the end. This is going to go on there like this. I'm not going to, yeah, it won't, didn't have this tightened in far, so this end is going to go on there, and then it's going to push the rod back and forth, activating the pop-up headlights. I'm going to stop here and get on to working on the body. Hey everybody, my new body, 1/10 scale RC Uno's Roadster body for the cup racer. This is not the HPI version. This is the Tamiya version. Get it out of the bag and show you what it looks like. Alright everybody, this is all what comes in the bag. You got your body. I got a little work ahead of me probably to fill some of these body holes in. Those I can make work. Those I believe I can make work, but the antenna mount, that's something I'm going to have to figure out. But this is everything that comes with it. Your instruction manual. Oh, what the heck? Oh, this is just one piece of paper. Okay. Now there's 2 there. There we go. Good thing I know how to do bodies, or else I'd be kind of puzzled. This is all in Japanese. And so information that in Japanese. The decal sheet, window maskings, molded mirrors, so I don't have to make any mirrors. Good luck, good thing for me. And then of course your body pins. But let's get this taken care of and let's see how it fits on the cup racer. Alright everybody, just as I expected, I'm going to have to use a different body setup because the holes are already drilled for it. So I'm just going to remove these when I want to run this body and then put those on and then I'll go back. I know it's going to be a pain, but it'll work. Back lines up perfect. Just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the stock Tamiya antenna hole. But it looks like it's going to fit, so we're good to go. Alright everybody, all trimmed out, all taped off, ready for the black top and the black hood. Get that done and we'll get it untaped and we'll lay the main color. There it is, finished. Just got to back it with white and sand the black down to make it look like flat black. Well, make it look like a satin black. I don't want to put flat black on it. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. That's it, all done. I just got a permanent marker so I can mark the tape. But it's ready to be backed with white and then we're good to go. Alright everybody, getting ready to peel the clear off. A little bit of sandpaper and some flat black paint. And I got my convertible top. Looks pretty good. Alright everybody, as you can see, one headlight bucket is cut out, which is right there. One is taped off. I'm going to work on this one and then just transfer everything over there. But that's it for now. Just you'd like to see how it's coming. Alright everybody, as you can see, I got them all trimmed out. And pop-ups are working. Flip it over so you can see it. That's all it is. I don't think it came out too bad. Alright everybody, that's the lid before. As you can see, there's a gap. And there's the lid now. I did it this way, that way I can make it more flush. And I had to trim out quite a bit to get it to fit. And then I trim the lid to that, and I end up with that. Next step will be to finish this and start working on the headlight buckets. Alright everybody, hoods are done. Got the final actuator set up. This headlight is done. This one is in process of being done. Flip it over. Redid my actuator as I had a little bit of an issue getting it to work, so soldered a piece of brass to the brass rod and drilled a hole in it, put the Team Low C ball stud in it. Got my wires all dropped through, ready to go. Next I'll give you a sneak peek of the pop-ups, so keep watching. And then this is the actuator, finally finished. Just thought I'd show this to you guys. Keep watching. Alright everybody, pop-ups are done. Looking good. Just a quick note, the two LEDs that are here are not permanent. This one right here is a red one. That's just to simulate the side marker lights. I'm just using that because that's what I had for right now. It's what I don't use that much of. And then there's a white one under there. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. See? Now this is on 2 position, so it's going to be 1 up, 1 down. Stand back a little bit. I don't think it turned out too bad. Came out pretty good, I think. Let's switch it to the 3 position. This is going to be sleepy eye and then up. So with that, the side marker lights are going to be on. The tail lights are going to be on, but the headlights are not going to be on. And one more and then the headlights come on. Next step is to make the tail lights and wire up the LEDs and put all the stickers on, and I'll be done. Alright everybody, it is finished with the black face and the chrome lip wheels. All the decals are put on. Side mirrors that it came with. Some donated parts from the Cup Racer, which is the right hand drive windshield wipers, front license plate, other than the sticker, and the exhaust, which is running rich. Convertible top, which is painted flat black and then hit with a coat of sandpaper to kind of give it a scuffed look. Show you the pop-ups. Total of 10 LEDs in this body. I got side marker lights, signal lights, headlights, another side marker light, rear side marker light, tail lights, and the other side marker light. I'm going to show you the pop-ups a little bit in depth. I think it came out too bad. Right, this is the 2 position switch, so headlights and side marker lights come on at the same time. Flip it to the 3 position, which I'm using my DX3E, which has a 2 position, 3 position, and a linear. Here's the 3 position with the sleepy eye and then the headlights. Get the light off so you can see the lights a little bit better. I don't think it turned out too bad. Of course, side marker light and tail lights. But that's it. The body is complete. No more work to do.